We're in a 2014 Vengeance 398V with the 14-foot bed out back, Corian countertops, beautiful leather upholstery. This has the patio awning thing in the back where you can keep the dogs outside. It has the beds in the back there. It also has the washer and dryer hookup right here. It also has the surround sound with the monster stereo. The screening in the back, so when you put the gate down, you can put the screening to keep everything dry. The inside is beautiful. There's two tables here. There's one table that goes here right in front of you there, and then there's another table that goes in the toy area. You got a full-size refrigerator. Again, Corian countertops with a stainless steel sink with a Delta faucet. Beautiful backlighting. You'll see the blue all the way around. The LED, that's all the new style right now. Nice oak cabinetry. Convection oven. Convection microwave. Fireplace. This has the cold weather package. This is also a aluminum cage construction unit. King size bed. And a beautiful shower on the other side. So people can come in here and not come into your bedroom to go to the bathroom. Nice size shower. Heat in the floors. And this also has the patio. This open door right there is an option. That's nice to have. And nice woodwork, LED lighting. Again, this is where the table goes. Both of the tables are underneath the bed in the bedroom. Beautiful coach throughout. Very, very nice. 2 AC units and duct AC throughout this whole thing, so it even gets freezing cold in the toy hauler area. Alright, that's about it.